What is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and as you can see right here, every single day, we're going to be talking about MMAT. Okay, in today's video, specifically in today's video, we're going to be talking about some institutions that bought MMAT shares. Okay, we're going to be talking about that. Some criminal that is going on, some pretty bad, I don't know, but some illegal things that are going on with MMAT. Also, I really would like to talk about the short interest or is it active? Did MMAT really stop trading in Germany and all the other stuff in today's video? Okay, so let me know what are your thoughts about it, and let's get straight into it. Okay, so first of all, and also at the end, I will be talking about, as you already know, the predictions and the technical notes. Okay, although you already have it on the screen. Okay, so first of all, as you can see right here, we're going to be going on volume, and the volume was 83.35 million, I guess. So there were 83.35 million shares traded that day. The volatility was insane. Okay, it's pretty good. As you can see, the candles are beautiful right here, but as you can see, you go back, these are not the typical candles that you want to see. As you can see, the volatility is not here. Okay, so these candles were more beautiful on the 5-minute chart. But if you go to the daily chart and kind of keep it that way, if you look at the chart from this perspective, you know that there were 83 point something, like as I said already, million shares today traded yesterday. Okay, about half the dollar volume of GME. Okay, and like that's 364.6 million worth of stock that changed hands more actually since the price was higher most of the day. Okay, the GME traded at 3.29 million shares and closed at $2,209. Okay, what do you think that this will mean for the stock? Okay, that's $688 million worth of stock of GME that changed hands. Okay, MMAT is likely to get noticed after today or something like that. I don't think that a lot of people can notice this, but the volatility yesterday was insane. And as you can see, overall yesterday we were 7% up. The candle was bearish, of course. We opened right here, kind of already did push to the upside right there. You see, we had a huge gap. Also, let me just kind of calculate that. Gap was around 20%. We pushed to the upside, then we kind of came back down. Okay, that's how the stock moves, obviously. And as you see, I had a prediction right here. We never kind of came back to that 383 area. We already kind of we had a gap. We kind of pushed down. And as I said, that something like that could have happened, and it actually did happen. Okay, so also as I said, that in addition there is a Vanguard did add 18,000 and around 19,000 shares to its kind of insurance funds. Okay, so Vanguard is buying, and it is posted on Fintel too. A lot of other institutions are buying. For example, the VEX-MX, the Vanguard Extended Market Index, they bought an additional 881,000 shares. Then 1,745 shares from, again, Vanguard FTSE-MX. Okay, the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index. So if Vanguard buys shares from MMAT, it has to mean something. All right. So the other thing that I really want to say was, let me just kind of find the thing that I just really wanted to say, because I have it scripted on my phone and I really want to talk to. Oh yeah. So is it true that for all, I know that I have German viewers. Okay, is it true that the MMAT stopped trading in Germany? Because I don't really know, and I don't know how to understand it. Okay, so a lot of people do not know what is going on right now, because I saw some picture on German, and so he got a mail from a broker. So the person that sent this kind of picture into the Reddit. So there is some news about your securities. For example, one or more of these companies are listed on the exchange. Okay, as follows. The Stuttgart Stock Exchange was founded by the management board on September 30th, and the München Stock Exchange received the proceeds from the share of December 30th. Okay, how does this development come about? On January 3rd, 2018, the exchange will exchange the transfer data. This also includes the so-called legal entity identifier, okay, or LEI. Some companies have not applied for a LEI, which is why their shares are not allowed to be traded on the regulated stock exchange according to the consistent requirement. Okay, in this context, the handover of the goods to the Swedish paper exchange is based on the freight forward segment mentioned above. Okay, the bar with which is luxuries are so plentiful. Okay, those overhead are connected to and from one of the handles. So I do not kind of understand it, but some people are saying this is a beautiful like methodologic. Okay, you don't even know what can or what kind of forms you just open. The LEI is the barcode, like the SIC code in the states. It identifies the sector. If they had to stop trading Meta for this, it means that the ticker still isn't converted. Okay, which is a pretty good news. I mean, if this pushes like sets show, okay, but hopefully great news about that. It's not like kind of like it's kind of permanently stop trading, I guess. But I'm not gonna talk about that because I don't know like big kind of information. I just want to kind of get information out so you could kind of understand what's going on with that. And also, look, there are 44 million shares to the dark pool yesterday. You're just insane, bro. Insane. Some people are saying that this is like basically a criminal thing, overall criminal thing, because 44 million shares is insane. Okay, so simply it's like a criminal. The stock wanted to run, but instead they managed to shut it down with the dark pools. But yeah, this has been going on and off for almost 3 months, and the more they do this, the higher the price becomes in the dark pool. George said in the meeting that TRCH was massively shorted. It's GM and AMC all over again. Okay, the more manipulation and synthetic shares, the higher the floor. 1K is the floor based on all this and so much. Okay, and so much we have investigated over the past 2 months. So some people are saying that the floor that they are going to be selling is the $1,000. So I personally, as I said, my floor will be in the triple digit range, maybe the 4 digit range. But we're going to be seeing what will be happening. My price will be right around $300, $400. But if this kind of runs up, I'm not paper selling. Okay, I'm in this for the long run with you guys. Okay, so also when I just like mentioned paper hands, does this mean that paper hands are like profit taking? Okay, finished short volume for MMAT of the charts yesterday. Okay, on 30th of August, the finished short volume was 26.3, yeah, 26.3 million, which is insane. Compare that to that 26th of August, which we had only 935K. 26.3 million is insane for yesterday. I mean, it could mean that the paper hands could have been taking profit. Like for example, you got in right there at 284 or 286, and it kind of want to take profit at the wall like 100% at the top right there, maybe right here 73%, or even at the close right there 53%. Some paper hands really do want to be profitable, or some, like for example, they managed to buy right here, so they will kind of not take profit, but they're gonna get out of the stocks, or they're gonna sell their shares with a loss, okay, because they're scared, because they're to be honest, pussies. But yeah, it is what it is. I don't want to cuss on this channel, but yeah, a lot of people are saying today's price is like retracement from 579 to 441. It's just profit taking in paper hands. I think it's short sales and finished short volume is the smoking gun. Okay, if I'm wrong, let me know. I appreciate any correction. Today we had 82 million shares, like around 83 million shares trading hands. Okay, and we see a huge 26.4 million amount of short sales. Friday on 27, okay, on August, we also had some really nice gains with volume. If you click on the volume right here for you guys, so yeah, 27 right here, on 27th of August, we see a pretty beautiful day. Okay, so and we see a ton of short sales. Okay, not as much as today, but 6.76 million shares is certainly a lot. Okay, bigger than Thursday, which was, as I said, or Thursday was around like 935k. It's not like uncomparable 30 times the yesterday's amount, but in more than a Wednesday, which was, I mean, the day before that, or on 25 on 25th of August, which was 1.3 million. Okay, so yeah, let me know let me know what are your thoughts about this. And you know that the dark pools exchange from yesterday was insane. A lot of things are going on, like basically a crime, as I said. And that's about it for today. So let me know what are your thoughts about this update. Consider liking, subscribing, because every single day I will be keeping you updated with some great information out here. Okay, peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye.